Hi Sudoku friends, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Thursday, February the 13th, 2020. We have only one Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, so let's get started. Okay, I see an 8 in the last row, an 8 in the row above. So in this row, the only place for the 8 should be here. Then in this row, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 2, 7 and 6. 2, 7 and 6. I see here 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remained for this row for the 2. Here we have 7 and 6, 7 and 6 as a pair. Then also a pair for this big square. I see here 9, 9 and 5. So no 9 and 5 in these 3 boxes. So as a pair, 9 and 5 here and 9 and 5 here. 9 and 5, that means here we have 7 and 6, 9 and 5. This must be 1 and 4. 1 and 4. 1 and 4. So the 4 we have in this column. The 4 in that column. So the column between. The only 2 places for 4 should be here or there. But I see here already a 4. No 4 there. 4 should be here. Then 5 in this column, 5 in the column next, the middle column. So in this column, the only place for the 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for 5 is here or there. I see here already a 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And I remember we have here a pair, 9 and 5. 9 and 5, so the 9 should be here. Then 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in this column, the only 2 places for 5 is here or there. I see here already a 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Then 9 in this column, the 9 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 2 places for 9 is here or there. But I see here already 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. A 1 in this row. A 1 in the row above. So in this row, the only 2 places for 1 is here or there. But I see here already 1. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this column. 1 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for the 1 is here. Then 4, 4, 4, 3. 2, 2, 2. Yes, the 9 in this column, the 9 in the last column. So in the column between, the only place for the 9 is here. Then in this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 9. I see here 9, so no 9 there. 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 The only place for the 9 should be here. And then in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. I see here 2, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. 1 box remains for the 2, should be this one. Then 3 missing numbers of this big square. The numbers are 1, 8, and 6. I see here 1 and 8. So 1 digit left for the 6. Here we have a pair 8 and 1, 8 and 1. I remember in this row we have 2 missing numbers, the 7 and the 6. We have now a 6, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 6, yes. Here we have 8 and 1, 8 and 1. That means 1 digit left for this column for the number 3. Then 4. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 2 and 6. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. That means these 2 boxes left for this big square. 2 and 6. Here the 8 and the 7. 8 and the 7. We have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only place for the 7 should be there. In this big square, one of the missing number is a 7. We have a 7 there, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have a 7 there, no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 7, should be this one. Then 2 boxes left for this column for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left for this big square. For the numbers 2 and 8, we have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then 2 numbers left for this row. For the numbers 6 and 1, 6 and 1, we have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 number left for this big square. For the number 8, 2 numbers left for this big square. For the numbers 2 and 6, we have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 6 goes there. Then 8 in this column, 8 in the second column, so in the third column the only 2 places for an 8 should be here or there. I see here already an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. Two numbers left here. For the numbers 5 and 2. 5 and 2. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. 5 and 2. Here the numbers 4 and 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be there. And the 4 goes here. One digit left for this big square. For the number 3. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 here, so no 2 here. 2 should be there, and the 5 goes here. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column, so in the third column the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 7 and 6. 7 and 6, we have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 4 and 9. We have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be here. The 9 goes there. 2 numbers left for this big square. For the number 6 and 3, we have a 6 here. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 3 should be here. 1 digit left for this big square for the number 1. Then 2 digit left for the first column for the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be there, and a 1 goes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 9 are missing in this big square. We have a 9 there, so no 9 here. 9 should be there, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers. Sorry. 2 missing numbers here for this big square. For the numbers 4 and 1, we have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 4 and 6. 4 and 6, we have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 final numbers for this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be there, and the 7 goes there. So we finish this in 13 minutes. Alright people, if you like it, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also subscribe if you like or if you want. Otherwise, download the PDF file so you can solve it by yourself. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow for a new edition of Sudokus. Thank you and bye bye.